Many of you know what this amazing thing is right here is my tower garden, but I am definitely feeling being in Denver opposed to being in Phoenix because there's snow outside. I'm really feeling, I've had this tower garden in Phoenix for 4.5 years and moved up here, and it's like great, but I have it during the summer, realizing how much shorter the growing season is here compared to what it was in Phoenix. It's like shockingly short. So guess what? I have lights so I can keep growing indoors, especially after the news yesterday that they're recalling romaine lettuce again. This happened last year, this like exact same time, so no one could have greens because vegetables for Thanksgiving, oh my God, it's so awful. So if you haven't heard, they're recalling romaine lettuce because of salmonella again for the second year in a row. And so what more reason to grow your own? So since I don't have the space outside, I have inside space. The move over kitchen table, we have a tower garden. So I have two new things. Should I open the big box first or the small box? Okay, I'm gonna go with the small box because I didn't hear anyone say anything. And you're the other direction, so I can't really see it. So the small box is going to make the tower garden taller. And 100% real here. I have not put this together. I have no idea, so this is going to be trial by fire online. But this looks like a shower cap, just like the one on here. And it's a microgreens extension. So I'm going to put this on top of the tower. Look at the difference in color. Brand new opposed to 4.5 years old in the summer in Phoenix. So yay, I'm so excited. I'm not sure if this comes apart. It looks like it might come apart, but I'm not going to break it because we're going to put it together anyway. So there's that one, and then there's another one. So it's going to be, I'm going to be able to grow, I think, 36 more plants for microgreens. And this looks like just extension rods for the ones that are on here. So we might as well just do it. I'm thinking I will take this off because it came with its own shower cap, right? And it's super easy. I put it together. You've seen me put my tower garden together a few times, but this time I put it together off online since we had all this other stuff. Okay, let's see. Make sure this is together. And it looks like, oh, there's A and B. That one's A. This is probably B. So I'm gonna, nope, it's gotta line up with that. Oh wait, don't I need to put the extension rods on first? Someone should be monitoring me. I'm gonna guess these just screw right on here. And he's going to be taller. I'm not sure how that's gonna work.
You need
Should I
someone
read the
with longer
directions?
arms.
Should I read the directions? The directions don't start there. The directions says to take that off. Oh look, it's only got one layer. I just look at pictures. Locate the thread and the hex at the end of the 14-inch steel. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually realizing they do come apart because they come apart in the picture. Ha ha ha! let's see. That looks like there's actually little rods here. Doesn't actually tell you where it goes through, does it? I think I'm going to try to do it in between here. See if that works. Nope. Doesn't work. It's taller. Maybe I'm going to actually have to read the instructions. First, remove the shower cap and lid, then remove the wing nuts and washers holding the shower cap in place. Done. Utilize the holes marked A and install the marker rounds for 1, 2. Okay, so I put it on the right spot, so it's got to be marked A. There's an A right there. So I'm going to put it there. A. That's the part I don't get. This is taller. Maybe I didn't figure this out right. All right, well, let's just unbox everything and then I'll put it together. I won't actually have you witness this part since I'm fumbling around. Okay, what's in this box? And then we'll figure that out. I promise I'll put it together. If anyone watching knows how it goes together, please let me know. Here's probably from the outside. Styrofoam to keep it safe. So as you see, there's a giant hole in it.
What are you opening?
This is lights. This actually is upside down. This actually plugs on top of the tower garden, and these little arms stick out over the sides and make it look like a spider. So these will bend out over the sides. So, yay! I'm so excited! So it'll be taller and it's going to have little antenna arms on it. So we'll plug that guy in. And then there's lights that are in here too somewhere. Maybe. There they are. All in one piece. Yay! And these are LED lights that plug onto those little arms that stick out over the side, so it'll be glowing. I will post a picture down below. Yay! That's so exciting! I'm so excited. Yeah, I was a little questioned because there's a hole in this box. When I got it, I could actually stick my hand all the way in it. But it looks like it was protected on the top and bottom, which is the most important part, and it didn't do any damage to it. So yes, that's exciting. So I'm going to make this 2 higher once I figure this out, and I'll put the lights on. And I will maybe figure it out off stream and then actually video it again if you want to see it, or I'll just post pictures of the finished product, either way. But thank you for watching. Yay, I have new lights. So we're going to be growing inside.